Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. If you can't tell, I just woke up. You can hear it in my voice, but I'm going to be doing my wash day today. I figured I would film for you guys my updated curly hair routine because I finally feel like I have a set in stone routine. Well, it's not set in stone, but I have created a curly hair routine because last year I was very experimental. But I'm going to show you guys everything that I do. I do have 2 wash days a week, and if you guys didn't watch my healthy curly hair and scalp care routine video, that's basically the first wash day of the week. If I'm not lazy, I try to do this every week, but honestly, I don't really do it all the time. But usually I like to dedicate at least 1 wash day a week to really take care of my scalp. And if you guys want to see how I do that, definitely go check out that video that I'll have linked in the cards, and definitely click on that once you're done here. So this is what my hair is looking like, and just like I said, I'm lazy sometimes. So this past Wednesday was supposed to be my wash day, and you guys can see my hair practically looks like it's straight because I did wash it, but I had no like energy. I just didn't even attempt to style my hair. But we're gonna fix this today and get our curls back. The first thing I'm going to be doing is pre-pooing my hair. I almost dropped this and it's open. And this is my pre-poo for today. This is from African Pride. This is the second time I purchased this one. I really like this one. I love the consistency of it because it makes it so easy to detangle your hair. It's like a jelly consistency. I don't want to spill it over because it's actually brand new, but you guys will see how it looks once I take it out. So I just like to split my hair in half and then in half again, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply this pre-poo to my hair. You guys can see it almost just feels like a gel. So this consistency makes it super easy to detangle my hair, and it adds like that little bit of moisture I need before I really get started with this wash day. It kind of helps to retain my moisture balance and all that stuff. I think it's really helpful for me. I have been trying my best to use things in my routine to help with hair loss, and I feel like I actually been doing a pretty good job, and I've been like keeping up with it, and I actually see a difference, like the power of consistency. And this does have aloe and coconut water in it, so it smells super good. So this is the little bit amount of hair that I lost from just doing that detangling. Obviously I didn't detangle all the way through, but this will definitely help reduce the amount of shedding that I get when I actually use a brush to detangle my hair. And by the way, shedding is completely normal, but you know your hair and you know how much is normal for you. So if you notice that you have like an excessive amount, you might want to like change up your routine a little bit to kind of help prevent that. But I am going to go in and put on a little plastic cap so this can sit on my hair. Okay, so I'm about to get in the shower and wash my hair. I should have had my ring light on this whole time because this looks so much better. But I'm going to show you guys some of my favorite shampoos. I don't have like one specific shampoo that I use all the time, but these are the 3 that I kind of cycle through. The Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight Water to Foam Shampoo. This is the one I use in my scalp care routine, so if you guys want to know a little bit more about this one, go check out that video. But today I'm going to be deciding between these 2. I like to use the Carol's Daughter one when I really want to get like a super deep clean, usually when I do a scalp treatment and all that. But this one is the PrePoo shampoo from the brand Amika. This is like a reparative shampoo. It has keratin protein in it, and it restores and revitalizes damaged hair. And then this one is the curl shampoo from Verb. I really do like the lather on this one. It makes my hair feel really nice and silky. So yeah, this one will be the winner for today. I think it'll be really helpful at keeping my moisture and protein balance in check. Just adding a little bit of protein in my shampoo as well as some other products in my routine really help to balance everything out. So I'm gonna jump in the shower and wash my hair with this shampoo. And I also will be using my Carol's Daughter Jelly to Cream Conditioner. So this is the wash day lineup for today. So I just got out the shower and I'm gonna start styling my hair, but I do like to use a microfiber towel to dry my hair. I didn't really dry it, I just had it wrapped up for a little bit. It's still pretty wet, and I do like to work on soaking wet hair because I feel like that gives me the best results. So it's actually still pretty wet after doing my makeup and everything, but I'm just gonna add a little bit more water before I start putting any product in my hair. And also I like to go in with my Caraco Tangle Buster to make sure I don't have any more tangles. I did detangle in the shower already, so I'm pretty sure it's tangle free, but I'm just gonna run it through my hair one more time. So for my leave-in conditioner, I'm going to be going in with the Innate Life leave-in conditioner. I like this for the product itself, but I mostly like how it's a spray, so it's super lightweight, and sometimes I find myself putting like a glob of leave-in conditioner in my hair. So a spray is really perfect for my hair because my hair gets weighed down very easily. So I'm just going to spray this all over my hair. And I love the way that this smells. I feel like it smells like Fruity Pebbles. Yeah, I definitely want to get into using more spray leave-in conditioners when I'm done with this one. I'm gonna see if I can find something else. If you guys have any suggestions on spray leave-ins that you guys love, definitely let me know. And once again, I'm just running the brush through my hair to make sure I kind of spread that leave-in conditioner out everywhere. Okay, so now for the styling products, and we can pause right now, and I'm pretty sure half of you guys will be able to comment down below what I'm about to show you guys. I don't mean to keep showing you guys the same products over and over. I promise I won't show these. After this video, I won't show them for a long time, okay? But I really love these products. So this is the Curl Defining Cream. And then I also have the Curl Whip Mousse and the Thick Trick Foam. So I really love these. So I love using all three of these products, and I'm gonna show you guys just how I style my hair. Going in first with the Curl Defining Cream, I'm going to separate my hair into two sections, starting from the back. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on my hands. It smells so good. I feel like these products smell lemony, like they have a real citrusy smell, but I think they're supposed to smell like cake. If I'm not wrong, they're supposed to smell like cake batter, I think, but I don't know. And I just start raking this through my hair, and I'm kind of over using like tangle teasers or wet brushes to style my hair. Don't get me wrong, I love them and I love the way my hair comes out with them, but it's like if you want a certain look. But I do like to kind of clump my hair in my fingers like that. You guys can see I'm kind of clumping the pieces together, and this will help give me a nice defined curl, but not like those huge ringlets that the brushes will give me. And I always make sure that I have like enough water in my hair so that I hear this little scrunchy noise. Now we're gonna move on to this side and just repeat that process all over my hair. and I still try my best to style like up and away from my scalp just to get some more volume, or just to get as much volume as I can get out of my hair. And I also just go in like little by little. I don't add a whole glob at one time, and I just keep adding little by little and just add more whenever I think that I need some more product without overdoing it. I like to use both of these. I don't know if it's like redundant because they're both very volumizing products. The mousse though does give me a little bit of a hold. I definitely do have like a little bit of a cast when I'm done using this, and I feel like it leaves my curls looking not crunchy but more defined in a way. But I feel like the foam gives me like a little bit more volume, but it doesn't have any hold at all. Like my curls are just super soft, which is a really pretty look, but if I want my hair to last, I do need a little bit of a hold. So lately I've just been kind of mixing these. I've mostly been putting the foam, and then to top it off I'll put the mousse. So that's what I'm gonna do today. And I also like to put the mousse kind of like in my roots to kind of get it all in there and, you know, lift up my roots a little bit. So I like to flip my head over and then just like put it in my roots and scrunch. Hopefully I was even in frame for that, but I'm just gonna go in and with a little bit more and put it all over. Okay, and then like I mentioned, to kind of like seal it in and give me a little bit of a hold, I'm gonna go in with the mousse and just put that all over. So yeah, I just scrunched that all in my hair until I can't see any more white, and then I think it is good to go. So let me sit my ass back down. So that is how I like to style my hair with the foam and the mousse and the curl defining cream. Now I'm just gonna let it air dry for a little bit, like 30 minutes to an hour, and then I'm going to diffuse my hair, and I'll get back on camera to show you guys how I do that. Okay, so I'm back with my diffuser, and I'm just gonna go in first and just hover around my hair, trying to make sure I dry my roots first, and then I'll work on drying the rest of the mid shaft and the ends of my hair. My ends are kind of dry already, so they're gonna need the least amount of heat. And I'm gonna put this on low heat with medium speed. And this is what my hair is looking like completely dry. I'm gonna go in and fluff it out a little bit. You guys can see I do have a little bit of frizz, but I'd rather have that little bit of frizz and have some more volume than have like super defined curls. My curls still look really nice and defined though. Still really nice looking. I'm going to put a little bit of this Bread Beauty hair oil. This is one of my favorite hair oils. It smells so good. It smells like candy. Kind of just rub this over my hair. My hair feels so nice and soft too. And then I'm just gonna fluff it out with my hands. And these are my final results. My curls have been looking so good, especially since I got my hair cut. That has a lot to do with it, obviously. And because I've been really consistent with both of my routines. Like I mentioned earlier, I have 2 routines. One that really takes care of my scalp and the health of my hair. And then this is just like my regular routine. But for both of my routines, I do style my hair the same way. I use the same products and do the same steps. It's just a difference on what I do before I actually wash and style my hair. But yeah, these are my results. This is a really good wash day. A little up close. Definitely have some really good curl definition and have a lot of volume. A little bit of frizz here and there, but we accept her. We accept our hair in all of its glory, and that includes frizz. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you guys are excited to see some new products here on my channel. I know I've been showing you guys and talking to you guys all about Cake Beauty because that has been what I've really been using like all the time. But yeah, now that I actually have a routine down, I know that I can always come back to this and have a good hair day. So it's time to like venture out and start trying some new things. Make sure you're subscribed if you aren't already, and if you are new here, make sure you check out some of my other curly hair videos and some of my other videos in general. And I'll see you guys all in my next one. Bye.